Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a bit of a short video. I just wanted to do a little chit chat and I'm gonna be unboxing a few packages I've been receiving. A lot of friends have been reaching out to me, sending me packages. I'm just so happy and I feel so blessed that this is happening right now. I'm not gonna say it never happened. Like I had paid collab before, like in the past, like one here, one there. But this year, I feel like it's just amazing. Like every last collab that I've did this year, every last one I've gotten paid for it. And I'm just so happy. And I feel so blessed it's actually happening. Like it is literally a dream come true, guys. Like I manifested this and it's actually happening. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be unboxing some packages. I'm not gonna be getting into detail about the item because I have to post it on my Instagram and I have to get into detail about it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is Makeda, M-A-K-E-D-A, and it's 2_ and S. Make sure you're following me because that's where I'm going to be getting into detail about the package. But today I'm just going to be unboxing it and show you guys what I have in the package, if you get what I'm saying. This is going to be a bit of a rush video because I am actually getting ready to go out to lunch with one of my friends and, hang out. And I was like, I did my makeup, I did my hair, and I'm like, let me just get this video done really quick. So that's what we're doing. I'm not going to be telling you guys everything about it. We're just unboxing and just showing you guys what I have. And I hope you enjoy this video because this is going to be a really fun video for me. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I'm going to be enjoying it because I just love opening up packages. Like I love opening packages. The first one we're going to open, this little one, it have my address. So I'm not going to show you guys, but it's this little box. And let's just see what's in here. Okay, so this we have a primer, as you can see. Yep. And this is from Ulta. This is a night mask. I opened this because I wanted to start trying it and getting it done. I started using this already because I have a deadline on when I have to post this. And the deadline is actually coming up. So one thing I do, I make sure I let everyone know that I'm never gonna lie about anything. If a product is not good, I'm gonna say it's not good. If it's good, I'm definitely gonna tell you guys it's good. Like I'm definitely not gonna tell you guys a lie. I'm not gonna promote something and say, oh my God, this is so good because I'm being paid for it. I would never do that. But this, I've been using it ever since I received it and it's so good. I wash my face with like Clean and Clear, and when I'm done, I put this on, I go to sleep, and y'all, when I wake up in the morning, my face is like flawless. Next package we have this package. Like I said, I'm not going to be getting into detail about the product. Oh, it's the sunglasses. Oh, this is pretty. What do you guys think? Oh, I think I'm going to wear this today. I like it. I'm going to do my hair over, but what do you guys think about this? I like this. So the next thing we have is this package. Oh yeah, I remember that this sent to me. Deodorant. Oh my God. It smells so good. So this is an outfit. This is a pant. This is a little top. Yeah, these are like little jumpsuits. See? 2, 3, 4. Next package. It have like a lot of writings and stuff in it. It's called Outlaw. Outlaw isn't just a product. It's made to help you remember who you are. I'm supposed to be chit-chatting with you guys. So, everything I buy, everything I'm wearing, everything. I tag whatever shoes I was, whatever shirt, whatever makeup I have on my face, I tag all the makeup brands, tag everything that you're wearing and you're doing. And it just happened. Cute. So this brand is called Outlaw. Oh wow, this is what it looks like. It smells really good. It's a backpack. So it's 2 packages in one that was in there. I noticed, but I didn't mention. The backpack didn't have any straps, but the straps are in here. I think it's a pen. Cute. So let's see what's in here. Oh, they also have gloves in here. It's called Me Cosmetic. This is beautiful. Okay, so it says, Dear Makeda, I am delighted. Wow. Can't wait to try this. Let's do one more before we go. There's so much package. Okay, the big package. Oh, it's heavy. Wow. Remember I told you guys, whatever you're posting, make sure you're tagging everyone, like all the brands. I do a lot of home videos. I love, that's like something I'm really obsessed with. Simply step onto the bath mat and watch as it instantly removes water away, leaving your feet and bathroom dry. Y'all. So I'm not gonna open this package because I want to do an unboxing. I'm actually redoing my bathroom. Like my whole bathroom's gonna be a totally different color. Everything is gonna be so cute. It's gonna be so cute. But yeah, that's it for this video, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I am gonna be doing a review on every last product that I just showed you guys, and I'm gonna be posting them on my Instagram. I'm gonna be getting into detail about it. I also have discount codes for every last one of them. So if you love what you see and you want to place an order or something, you can use my discount code and get some money off. Yeah, I love y'all so much for all the support and love. Like my Miami vlog is at 2.6K, and I'm just so happy we're doing what we're supposed to do over here. Like, we're working. If you want to get into like reviewing products and getting paid for it, not all of them you're gonna get paid for, because when I first started, a lot of stuff that I was receiving, it was just like favor for favor. They sent me free product and I just posted on my Instagram, and that's that. And I did it because that's what I like to do, and also give you exposure, you know, to show that, you know, you're into this and this is what you're doing. Keep in mind that your Instagram is your resume, even if it's free or not. Definitely you have to love what you do. If you hate taking pictures, then this is not for you. Make sure your profile is not private. Make sure that your profile is public. I'm probably gonna do my hair over because I really don't like the way my hair is. This is like a little messy. I'm probably gonna just leave my hair down, and I'm thinking I'm not gonna wear this top. I'm gonna change it. Yeah, makeup is cute, everything is cute. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching my videos. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.